remove the right engine guard using a 5/16. We're going to do that now. Alright, so boom, that's it. Don't lose your little nut because you have to replace this soon. Alright, so the drain bolt will be this one. Going to take that same 5/16, lefty loosey it, and then the coolant's going to come out and it's going to catch right here in our catch pan. Alright, so let's get it done. We got a gusher. And that's it. Oh, the coolant hit this bike. Oh no. Alright. Alright. That was unexpected. But hey, remember to take that drain cap off, or the radiator cap. That will allow the pressure to subside and you get that nice gush of coolant. Put the camera back down. Do our best to catch all of this coolant. Alright, so the next thing you want to do, take some water and you're just going to pour some in the radiator. What it's going to do is just flush out a little bit. You'll have this nice clear water coming out, pushing out, getting rid of all the rust that may have built up in the system. Do it about 3 or 4 times to make sure you get all that old coolant out. So the final step, we're going to add the new coolant. I personally use engine ice. I've been using engine ice for years. I've had it in all my motorcycles from my Gen 3, Gen 4, RIP to the Gen 4, ZX14, dirt bikes, TRX 450, ATVs, you name it. I swear by it, it works. So you can pick this up from any motorcycle shop, Amazon, anyone. You can pick this stuff up from any place. It's great. Hey, just use it. So the drain plug was already put in. I didn't show that piece, but it is back in. So go ahead and fill this thing up with engine ice. So what that was, that pressure build up, some air pockets in there. That's normal. Take the bike, just rock it around, just so those air bubbles dislodge, and then just keep filling. The coolant level has settled. We want to put this cap on. Make sure it is secured. You're going to listen out for 2 clicks. 1, 2. You probably didn't hear that, but you'll feel it more than anything. So now we're going to take the bike down to the car wash to spray off this excess fluid I've dropped on the bike, get it real pretty, and then, hey, maybe we go for a ride.